fall on whether or not the asylum application of Mr. Roque will generally fall on whether or not he is being persecuted. So the absence or presence of a passport is irrelevant in the determination of whether his asylum application will be granted or not. So from what we can gather right now, there is no persecution, but he is evading prosecution.
So, would you sorry, last na po talaga. Would you classify, Sir Harry Roque as a fugitive from justice na po?
Yes, ma'am. Opo. In fact, the RTC decision yesterday, which was issued by RTC Pasig Branch 157, if I'm not mistaken, declared that he is to be considered a fugitive from justice in the same way that the other accused in that case were deemed so. So fugitive from justice is a technical term. Ano po yan? May legal definition yan.